Okay, welcome to Investor Series, where we are going to talk about
market update,
ways to grow your wealth.
and other benefits from investment.
Welcome back to our podcast. My name is Shahid.
I'm Fairuzee. So we are going to be here to share with you the update on the markets.
Okay.
Right. So I think actually for this week, nothing much happened. I mean, not last week lah. Last week nothing much happened, but we are still here just to share what is happening. So Shahid, what is the number or the benchmark on S&P 500?
Okay, so if you look at the S&P 500 chart, it's currently on the all-time high. So it's 6977. Yeah. So despite the noises, I mean the political tension in US and around the globe, the market is still doing very well.
Yeah. So we can actually see right here that actually the market is neutral. Okay, so but of course it's going on an upward trend.
Yes.
Yeah. So all of the noises that you have heard, like the US and Venezuela, the US and Venezuela has something going on. Again, we are saying we are not saying anything, or we are not signing any sides, but we are just sharing what is the implication. Okay, when these things happen lah. Yeah. So as being mentioned by Shahid last week, that the US companies are looking at an opportunity when this conflict arises. All right. So that's where there's a bit of optimism from these companies, and that trickled down to the investors, that they saw the opportunity lah. So that's where they buy in. Yeah. And also the noises that we have heard, but now it's actually quite lowered down, which is AI, the AI bubble.
Yep.
So we have been hearing this AI bubble is actually at the all-time high and is going to crash. It's going to crash. And even now, right, I actually saw some people saying that if you look at the chart, it's going to crash. Right. So this is the part where right now it is actually going upwards.
Yeah. Especially because I think there are two reasons that pushes the market. Number one is because soon they are going to to share their earnings.
Yes, to publish their earning
reports.
Yeah.
And then secondly, another big news in AI industry is that Apple is having a partnership with Google
for their AI thing.
For their AI thing, yeah. So that gives investors like optimism that okay, probably they will have a better, profit or maybe improvement in their
products lah. Yeah. And we as consumers, we consume tech. Means that we are using tech for our work, for our projects, for our maybe advertisement. Even this podcast, we have been using a lot of AI in terms of editing, in terms of the what we call here to publish this particular episode. So that's where we are seeing that this AI, it is not just merely what we call here something
a short-term
thing lah, or a hype where after this, not everyone will just sell off this AI thing. No, it is actually being integrated into the companies, the big companies. Okay, and it is actually changing the lifestyle of people.
Yes.
So much similar to internet.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's why we are saying that yes, there might be a AI bubble in a few years time, but even then, the technology, if it is still there, it will always be there. Yeah, like how we have the internet right now.
Yes.
So the AI, this artificial intelligence, will continue be there. But the question is that if it is going to crash, then which company is going to stay?
Yes.
Like for example, internet, we have Microsoft, we have Google, so all of them stayed, right? So similarly to this AI, but right now the sector itself, it is growing lah.
Yeah, but just bear in mind that although it is growing, in the next few months or maybe years, we can see that it will definitely have a bit of a dip.
Yes,
here
correct.
and there.
Yeah.
So don't go all into tech.
Yeah.
Be more strategic with your investment.
Yeah.
So we always advocate this lah, to always diversify your portfolio.
Diversify and have strategy lah. So why do we say have strategy? Because there will definitely be ups and downs. So for example, if tech goes up, then it's good for your portfolio if you have tech inside your portfolio. But when it went down, if it goes down, if you go all in, then you'll be a bit more worried lah.
Yeah.
Because you are all inside it. Okay, so what you should do is you should do maybe 30%, 30%, 40%, for example. So these three portions will be different sectors. Like example, oil, energy, tech, and gold, for example. So why? Because if one goes down, you can actually buy in more if the sector is really fundamental for the future. Or even if the sector or if the commodity is something that is useful, suddenly went down. For example, right now, gold.
Yeah.
Gold is an all-time high, right?
Yes.
So if suddenly it goes down by 20%, 30%, I'll go in, man. I'll go in, but of course not a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, because currently, if you look at our chart, right, in what we invest in is up to 150% for 1 year. Yeah, so I think that's a
very
lot
high.
lah.
That's
That's
a
a lot. Yeah. So if it can go up, it can also
go
go down.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
With that amount. So that's where if it goes down even 30%, 40%, I will go in, but okay, not all. So that's why it's important to diversify and to have that strategy.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. So we also need to remember that there's also the rate cuts.
Yes.
The US is also right now, we can see that the US is changing their Fed, their Fed chairman, right? Yeah, so this is a part where the Fed chairman might be someone who wants interest rate.
Oh yeah,
cut.
you shared about this before,
Yes,
right?
for last year, right? So I said that there might be the interest rate cut. So we have to brace for that also. And that's why the people, the investors, the retail investors is quite optimistic for this year because of that there will be a rate cut. So technically there will be ease for people. So the companies will have profit, the people will have more money because they pay lesser interest. So this is a part where there's optimism in the market. That's why right now, even though with the geopolitical tension, there's still optimism.
Yeah. So generally, if you look across the market, tech industry is going up.
Yes.
Gold is going up.
Yes.
And then energy sector is also going up
Yes, it's
because
going
of
up
all the
also.
tensions there.
Yes.
Yeah. But again, just be careful with all your strategies. But maybe maybe you can share. Other than these three, what are other sectors that maybe have a potential of growth?
Yeah, the not the problem, but the challenge with these three is that they are already overweight.
Yes.
Yes, if you look at gold, it's already up. Even though it can go further, but as an investor, you want to see or you want to invest in something that you can profit more.
Yeah.
Because gold is already overweight.
Yes.
Tech is overweight,
Yes.
but the potential
Tech
is there.
has potential, but if you were to enter
now,
the
it's
price is quite high.
It's quite high. Yeah, and also we have energy.
Energy.
The thing is, energy is not that high, but it's volatile.
Yes, very volatile.
Because of US and Venezuela and we know that energy and oil is scarce. So there's political powers lah that control this particular oil and energy. There's another one sector you can look into this, which is the small cap sector. The small cap companies. Okay, why I'm saying that is quite good. Okay, is something to look into because small cap is technically companies that the value is around 300 million to 2 billion. Okay, and why I say small cap might be good is because because of the rate cut. Okay, the rate cut. So when you have the one that will profit the most from the rate cut is the small cap. Because small cap usually sometimes they take loans. Yeah, and when they take a lot of loans, so if the interest is high, they have to pay
higher interest.
Okay, if it is low, then they pay lower interest lah.
Pay lower interest, and hence the profit is higher.
Yes, and now when the interest rate is cut, okay, they might go for expansion. And this is a part where there might be opportunity for us to go into together lah.
Yes.
So and as we said, the interest rate might cut further. So that's where this is an opportunity lah. But of course, again, do your own due diligence. Okay. Please do your own due diligence lah. Okay. Look into sectors. So if you don't want to like go all in or risk into one company, maybe can look into the sectors. There are certain funds that invested in
Certain few
small cap
companies,
companies lah. So small cap. Sometimes they may be Asian small cap. Okay, they may be US small cap. So you have to look into this. So research into this, and then from there you make your own due diligence lah. If you have the knowledge. Okay, but if you don't have the knowledge, we are here. Okay, both of us are here, and also Estelle, that you can approach us and message us. And if you have any questions with regards to any investment questions, you can ask us also. Yeah. So any tips you want to share with our investors?
No, I think just be happy with what is happening now.
Yeah, and also take the profits lah.
Yeah, take
If
your profit.
your investment plan allows you to take out the money anytime, just take off some profits lah. Because then from there you feel that I actually benefited from this investment. Because right now, if it is up, you can, all of you, please do check your investment. Most probably it will be up. Okay, and then from there, if you feel that you want to take some and enjoy, please do take some.
Yeah, one thing from my own experience, don't be greedy.
Yeah.
So when you see there are some profits, don't wait. Okay, I will just wait for another few months. Then I will take my profit. So if there's some profit, be happy with it. Take some of it to enjoy. Then you can wait for another growth for you to enjoy more profits.
Yes, correct. Yeah, if not, it will only be paper profit. Paper profit means that you are not profiting it. Actually, it's just on paper. But what you have is actually just still your own money, the amount that you invest in. Unless you take out, okay, that's where you really profit from it.
Yes.
Yeah. So if it is up, please do profit. Take out and take some profits and enjoy it. For those of you who have yet to invest, please do start invest.
Yes.
Okay, because we don't want to miss the train again and again. Okay. Yeah. So
there's no right timing.
Yeah, there's no right timing. If you have the money, the only thing is you have the money and you have the time, then please do go in.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So I think that's all for today. We will see you next week. Bye bye.
Bye bye.